Here we go. So I termed it, Darren, and it's on the email newsletter, Open House Echo Park Spanish Home with 2 views. And so that's the most unique thing about this. This is at 1831 Cerro Gordo Street in Echo Park. Wonderful Spanish character home with 2 views, downtown LA on one side and east views to Glendale on the east side. It's right on a hilltop. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,884 square foot home on almost 25,000 square feet of lot, most of that being hillside, but definitely peace and privacy assured on this hilltop. So we will be there, guys, Saturday and Sunday this week, 1 to 4, Tuesday, 11 to 2, and then Sunday next weekend, 1 to 4. So check it out. If you'd like to privately see it, just contact us and we'll show it off to you. But yeah, beautiful home. Beautiful home.
Cool. And I'm going to walk to the open house.
Yeah, you could.